All right, let's go. So, yesterday I was working on this project here and trying to get it moving forward. So, what we have is multiple microservices, producer, consumer, and then they're registered with. I even forgot what I registered them with. What's this called? Um, Maybe I have to look in the Palm file to figure out what this one is. Eureka. That's what it was called. Where is it? It's right. Oh, it's somewhere in here. Ah, here it is. Eureka. Okay, there we go. So, they're registered. Great. Um, Now, what I want to do is have a Node.js front end microservice that will be able to communicate with my microservices. But I'm thinking now that I say that out loud, maybe I need an API gateway instead, because I remember in the last video I was looking at okay, well, I thought that the Node.js was going to be the API gateway, but apparently it's not. Okay. Probably just gonna close a lot of these things. Let me close this one. Let me close this one. Let me close this one. And I'll keep this one and keep this one. Okay. Alright. So now I'm gonna do this nodemon thing. So npm install, and then why are they doing save dev? I don't know. Yeah, anyways, I'll just trust it. Nodemon, okay. Okay. Node package manager. Okay. All right, there we go. Nodemon, and then can I just do app.js? Can I just do that? Can I do this? So what is this npx? I don't remember ever doing that. npx. I don't like this. Okay, well, I don't need to like it because it didn't work anyways. Anyways, whatever. It doesn't matter. Alright, so what do I want to do? I now want to incorporate an API gateway. Okay. Tell me how to do this with the Node.js front end that was just created. Cool, bounce, 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 bounce. That's fun. Okay. Okay, perfect timing, adding an API gateway. So I'm just gonna keep the front end. Okay, whatever. I need to change things. I need to go and actually write the views and all of this stuff. But that's fine. We'll do that later. Yeah, exactly. The EJSs. We'll do that later. Yeah, this is what I have right here. Central router for all backend services. Okay, so this is for Eureka client. I can't remember if I already did that. Do you think I should do the API gateway in JavaScript or in Java? Okay, let's just see what it says about this. So delete some of these. I don't know. I'll keep Spring Initializer. Okay, I'm just gonna keep that one. And then we'll see where we are. Okay, let's see what it suggests. Okay. Great question. The answer depends on what your goals and scalability, team skill set, and ecosystem. I don't know. I don't know. Team familiarity. Team is just me, so I'm fine with whatever. Performance. Node.js is fast I/O bounds, robust for CPU. Okay. Lightweight. Built-in features. Built-in features. So, I guess I don't know how difficult it's actually going to be to perform those like connections between the different microservices. I guess I still have not actually even done that yet. Oh, I haven't even done it between Java and Java microservices. And now I'm thinking about how am I going to do it between Java and JavaScript microservices. And oh boy. Hey. This is not going to be fun. You want a deep integration with Spring Boot services. You know what? Let's just do Node.js. That's fine. It's fine. Okay, so what are we gonna do? We're gonna come here and just follow this. Okay, so we're gonna do great. So API gateway. Step by step. So we're gonna go make a new directory, call it API gateway. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna come in here, and from here I am going to do one called API gateway. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is inside of here. So I'm gonna go inside of there. So I am going to initialize a node project. So node package manager init -y. Okay, great. And now I am going to do, so what exactly did that here? Oh, I think this is because I installed the node. Okay, whatever. I was in the wrong directory. That's fun. Okay. Why is there a node module here? Shouldn't it be in this API gateway? Just like here, there's, oh my gosh. Okay. Let me just come here and delete all this. I don't know if this is correct. I don't know if I'm worried about this. Whew. This is not going to be good if it's wrong. Delete. Well, I mean, I guess that's what git is for, right? Like, and delete. Okay. So now I should have this, and let me just come in here and I think this should be okay, right? Let me okay. Let me do this. So from here, node package manager install express Axios and Eureka. I'm guessing Eureka client. Yeah, okay. EUREKA and then .env. Okay, let's just do that and see if this changes. Okay. Please tell me everything is within this. Okay, good. That's kind of what I'm expecting. Okay, so I think what happened was I just deleted those things that, so I installed NodeMon, remember? And I think that's why I was adding it to this location, because I was in the wrong folder. I think that's what's up. Alright, so now what do I need to do? I need to, inside of this API gateway, I need to come in here and create a directory called routes, not touts, but routes. Routes, okay. And then within routes, I need to create inventory.js. I don't know about this. Okay, and then within this one, I need to create EUREKACLIENT.js, okay. And then within this one, I need to do app.js, okay, that's fine. And then, do I need this .env, or is it, we'll see about that .env one. Okay, configure the Eureka client. Okay, so I'm not sure what this does, but we'll, this one, okay. So let's kind of go through it and see what we're seeing. Const Eureka is equal to require, and what are we requiring? This one. Okay, so const client is going to be equal to new Eureka. Okay. You know, I don't want to type all that. I don't want to type this. So we're going to copy it. Yeah, there we go. And then we are going to module.exports is equal to client. Okay. Although we should probably look at it and just see what's going on. So instance, I have this app. I'm just naming it this. Okay, it's at localhost. I'm just assigning an IP address. How does this know that it's actually connected, right? Like how does it, I just hard coded this value. I'm not actually telling the IP address that it's living at. How does it know the port here is actually 4000? I don't know. Okay, let's just see what's happening here. Const express is equal to require const router is equal to express.router like this. Const axios is equal to require axios. Eka client is equal to require. Oh man. I just wish I had more energy. Whenever I come home from work, I'm just so mentally exhausted that I don't have time to do the actual, the stuff. Okay, come on. I have to just force myself to do it. Okay, come on. Eureka client.js, great. We're gonna get it. Const get service URL is equal to, and then service name. We're doing a lambda function. Okay. Const instances is equal to Eureka client. Okay. Dot get instance by app ID. Service name, I'm guessing. Yeah. And then to uppercase. Okay. Dot to uppercase. If instances dot length is greater than 0, then what do? Const instance is equal to instances indexed at 0. Instances indexed at 0. Return all this. Okay. Otherwise, we return null. Router.post to the add. Okay. So now I need to, so I'm going to be doing an add and a takeaway, right? And at this point, what's even the point of doing the front end microservice? I don't know. Can I just get rid of I feel like I can just get rid of this and just directly implement the logic in my front end service. Like, seems like it's the same thing. I'm writing it in JavaScript anyways. I'm using Node.js. I'm doing Express. I'm doing the same routes, right? Oh, what the fuck? Yo, I don't know. I don't know, man. What is it? What app.js is already written? Well, I didn't write this. Did I? No. No, this is Eureka client. Eureka client is here. App.js is I mean, whatever, man. There we go. Okay. And now we need to go in here to consumer service. And we need to await Axios post. And then we just need to do this, I guess. Okay. I feel like it's not gonna work because I don't know what I'm doing at all. I'm just randomly doing things. Okay, so maybe I'm trying to figure out what I can do tonight to prepare me for tomorrow, because I don't think I'm going to get much done today. I need to look up maybe how to use Axios, and then try to find, and I think that might give me a path forward for how to do these kind of things. Maybe I can look up like API gateway in JavaScript and do that. I know that I need to go in and actually, like I said in the last video, because I was just randomly putting stuff in this API gateway, I said I need to go through everything and just like understand it. But then today I didn't do that. I just randomly, I said it during this one when I was making it here, but then I just randomly did another one here. So I did 2 random JavaScript files, which is wonderful. So yeah, I know that I need to actually go in and try to understand what's happening and try to more formally do it. I just don't have the, like, my brain is operating on empty right now. I just all right, well, I'm gonna call it a day. Yeah, we didn't really get anything done today. I don't know what I did. Darn. I I'm sorry. Okay, today was kind of a dud day. Tonight I'm gonna go try to learn about Axios. And then what is tomorrow? Tomorrow's Thursday, so I'm gonna be leaving Oregon and heading up to Seattle for the weekend, so I should have a little bit more time over the weekend because I won't have work. So I should be able to investigate this and actually dig in and actually understand all of this stuff. So, anyways, I'm sorry for wasting your guys' time on this video. We didn't get much accomplished. Hopefully you'll forgive me. We'll be back at it in the next video. So if you want to, you can subscribe. If not, that's okay too. And hope everyone has a good rest of the day. My name is Timothy Lee Grant. I'll see you guys later.